In this video, I want to show you how to insert picture in Microsoft Word documents. If you are working on your project or any document at all, and there is need for you to bring in picture, how do you do it? To do that, place your cursor where you want the picture to be. Then come to Insert. Click on Picture. Then navigate to the folder where you have the picture. In this case, I want to use one of these pictures. I'll click on the one I want to use and click on Insert. You can see it has been inserted. Then I can now adjust my picture to fit in to my page as I want it to be. So you can see it, I've inserted it perfectly. So this is how to insert picture in Microsoft Word documents. Thank you for watching.